Hello friends, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is my 79 day of 90 days English speaking challenge. So friends, today I am talking about that the just like the art of letting go. It's also the good thing. So that's why I want to share with you that thing. So what is the letting go art? So just like a letting go means it is the realizing that the things and the learning that things and situations and the people that no longer serves your peace and happiness and growth. So that things also it is the good and you also realize that things the no longer things you not control it and also you can't control it and you learn your mind to how can the peace your peaceful your mind. So letting go means that like a inner freedom. So it's also the good things because when you hold the pain, toxic people and relationship, you waste your mind of peace. And how can you control it that things? So just like accepting that things, it's also the good things. With the resistance because acceptance that things and the longer stress and things also the good things and resistance means that the pain and acceptance means that the things to accept you then you also makes you better and your inner peace also good. So that's why acceptance it's the good things and learn from the experiences because the many experiences and the failure and the many situations can you learn something and you also learn it and that things you only absorb it and learn it new things and not hold the pain. So it's also the good things when you know about it because letting go when you letting the stress all things then you also can accept the all things because acceptance makes you happy and resistance makes you pain. Just like something's also important for the letting go. Detach with the love. So it's also just like a letting go doesn't means that you stop caring. It's also means to firstly you take care yourself because when you take care yourself, so it's enough for the move forward. So first you take care yourself. When you are healthy, then you do the all things in your life. So it's also the good things and always be present and always that things you realize it you live in the present moment. Always do the meditation then you also feel the happy and you also letting go the all things and forgiveness is the most important things because forgiveness always realizing that things you also accept the all things and when you forgive it then you also just like accept the your self belief and you also know about that you also become the good person for that. So that's why it's a very good things when you do it when you given the any person for the forgive. So it's also good things for the forgiveness and letting go also the most important things. When you know about that then you know all things in your life. Okay friends, it's my today's content. I will upload next video, next important things tomorrow. And always you learn from the letting go art because it's the good things. So that's why I share about it.